Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. I look really short. Let's go ahead and lower this down a little bit. Today I'm going to be talking about my open closet. Now this thing is still in the works, but I just started it out because I had a lot of clothes that didn't really have any place to go. So I made the simplest closet design I could, and it's essentially still a skeleton, but I kind of like it that way. I might not finish it off. I'll definitely finish up the paint job, but before I show you guys what it actually looks like, let me go ahead and explain my situation. I have a really large room. I have a really small closet that's kind of a separate, you open the door and it's your ordinary closet, if you will. And in college, I had a lot of clothes and I just kept buying and buying and buying and kind of went crazy with it. And then eventually I ran out of place in my actual closet, and I had a really big room. So I just decided to make a open closet in my room that is just there. So when you come into my room, you see a lot of clothes hanging right there. But I really don't mind it. So it was the simplest closet, like I said. Essentially, I got three 2x4s, and I got three not curtain rods, closet rods, and went ahead and made a closet that's currently holding, I want to say, at least 200 pounds. So it's definitely quite sturdy, and it runs a length of, I want to say, about 10 feet. And it has 3 tiers. So one right by the roof, one in the center, and then one at the bottom. And by the roof, I have some jackets and then some shirts and jackets on the second tier, and then on the bottom tier I keep my pants, my jeans, my slacks, and my workout shorts, etc. So what I did was got the 3 2x4s, and then I went ahead and drilled 1-inch holes right through the 2x4s. So the closet rods are running through the 2x4s. Next, what I did was I toe nailed those 2x4s to the studs in the roof and into the ground. So it's essentially just framed wood, which is tapped into the roof and into the floor. And then they have holes, the 2x4s have holes with the rods run through, so you don't have to worry about the rods falling off because they're just sitting in the center. And then to hold those rods in place, I went ahead and ran a 3.5-inch screw through the 2x4, through the rods, and through the other side, which holds them in place quite nicely. So now that I've kind of explained how the closet works, let me go ahead and throw up a picture. As I said, not really finished. The paint job around there is kind of messy. I'm going to go ahead and complete that once I go ahead and take my clothes off the actual racks. Tell me what you think. Should I go ahead and add some more 2x4s and then finish it off with some gypsum board? And I was either planning on putting a curtain inside once I finish the door design and just close the curtain when I don't need it, because the door would be kind of difficult to work with, just because I would have to bring it out quite a ways, and that would just occupy room in my or space in my room. My room is quite large, but if I add a wall, I'm gonna have to make space for me to go behind that wall, so it's gonna need to be at least, I want to say, 3 feet outward, and then the wall's going to be like 6 feet or 6 inches thick, so 3.5 feet. And I'm not sure if I want to do that. That's why I'm kind of leaving it bare and leaving it like this. The other thing I could do is put hooks into the roofs, into the roof where the studs are, and then hang a 8-foot curtain that I could just run across, so it looks kind of cleaner, gives it a bit more of a clean profile. But once again, not largely concerned with it. I kind of like the bare bones design of it, and it definitely gives me much more space within my room to work. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. What type of closet are you building? Why did I go crazy and buy so many clothes? I'm probably going to donate a lot of them now that I'm going to work and I'm not wearing a majority of them. So yeah, just a temporary closet for now. But hope you guys liked this video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. Tell me if you are a crazy shopaholic or if you transitioned into that period. I don't know. A lot of people in my circle had a lot of clothes, so I felt the need to do that as well, which I no longer need to. But yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.